In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a payment on account Xero. A payment on account, sometimes called a prepayment, is money you've received from a customer before you've issued an invoice. Recording it correctly ensures your bank reconciliation is accurate and the funds are available to allocate against future invoices. Start on your Xero dashboard and head straight to Reconcile. This takes you to your bank reconciliation screen, where you work with the incoming bank statement lines. If you have more than one bank account, make sure you're looking at the correct one so the payment you're about to post lines up with the deposit that actually arrived. With the relevant statement line in view, choose the account and click Match. This opens the matching panel and gives you access to create a transaction directly from the bank feed. Even though Match often suggests linking to something that already exists, here we're going to create a new item because the customer payment is on account. Next, select New Transaction. This tells Xero you want to build a record that explains this bank line. From the options that appear, choose Receive Money. That's the action for money coming into your bank that isn't tied to an existing sales invoice yet. You'll now see choices for the type of received money. Click Direct Payment, then choose Prepayment. Direct Payment indicates the cash came straight into your bank, and prepayment tells Xero to treat it as a payment on account, ready to be applied to a future invoice. This is important for clean customer balances and accurate reporting. Set the date to match the date on the bank statement line you're reconciling. Keeping these aligned helps your bank balance and your ledger stay in sync and avoids timing differences in your reports. Update the total so it exactly matches the amount of the deposit shown on the statement line. If there are bank charges or currency effects, make sure the total you enter reflects what actually landed in the bank for this item, so the reconciliation clears perfectly. When everything looks right, click Save Transaction. Xero will create the prepayment and associate it with the bank line, clearing that line from your reconciliation. The amount is now stored as a customer prepayment that you can allocate later when you raise the invoice. That's it. You've posted a payment on account from the bank reconciliation screen, chosen Receive Money as a direct payment, marked it as a prepayment, set the correct date and total, and saved it so it's ready to apply to future sales.